Hey, what's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to withdraw Solana from your Photon wallet. Now to do this, the process is really simple, quick and easy. Just follow these steps I'll show you guys in this video. Now we will begin by selecting our wallet right here. You can head over to the wallet section, and here once you're here you will see these options, and you can head over to my wallet to check the amount of Solana you have in your wallet. Now once you have checked it, I have this much Solana available in my wallet. So what I will do is I will head over to the withdraw section, and here the first thing we will do is select our current wallet on Photon, and after that we will set up the amount you want to send. For example, here I have set up this amount, and here you will enter the receiving address of the wallet where you want to receive your Solana. And after that I will just change this a little bit, and after that just click on withdraw, and as you guys can see our transaction is sent, and once it's done you will receive the notification just like this. Now we have successfully withdrawn our Solana from Photon. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope the video was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.